boil some crabs. We're using blue crab. Keep watching. Follow us to the end. They're not dead. They're just in shock because they're on ice. See? Told you.
That's about a quarter cup of salt, quarter cup of pepper, a dash in cayenne powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, some crushed red pepper, some Tony's sachets or any kind of Creole seasoning, and some Old Bay. That'll work. You want to taste it?
No. I know it'll be good.
Right. We got our seasonings mixed together. Gonna add that to the pot. I'm just adding some water to the pot. Might be special. Dash in some Louisiana hot sauce. I didn't know the spout was missing already.
Yeah, I took it off. I use it for beef jerky. It takes too long with the thing on it.
It's probably about a cup of Louisiana hot sauce. I'll bring it to a boil. We'll be cooking crabs here in a minute.